This factory takes fresh avocados and turns them into several finished products using one connected automatic line. The process starts when crates of avocados arrive at the unloading zone. The idea is simple. Break every big job into smaller steps and let the machines handle each step with speed and accuracy. The first goal is to make every avocado clean and safe. The fruit moves through washing tunnels, high-pressure sprayers, rotating brushes. After washing, scanners check the size, color, and quality, and robots remove any fruit that doesn't meet the standard. The next step is cutting and separating. Robotic blades slice each avocado in half, remove the pit, and separate the skin from the flesh without damaging the pulp. The soft green pulp drops into mixers and becomes smooth and thick. Part of the pulp goes to the cold press oil section. Press machines squeeze the pulp slowly so the oil comes out natural and bright. Filters and centrifuges clean the oil until it becomes golden and clear.
Refined oil flows through glass tubes into a secondary filter. Ultrafine mesh catches last impurities.
The clean oil is poured into bottles that are washed, filled, capped, labeled, and packed automatically. Another part of the pulp is used to make avocado skin cream. Water, natural oils, and the avocado paste mix inside a controlled mixer to create a soft, smooth cosmetic cream. The cream is filled into white jars with dark green lids, then sealed, labeled, inspected, and boxed. The full line shows how automation helps reduce waste, protect the product, and keep every unit looking exactly the same. A third line uses avocado oil and plant extracts to make avocado hair serum. The mixture turns into a light green liquid that is filled into frosted glass bottles with pump caps. Each bottle goes through air cleaning, filling, capping, label placement, and quality checks. From one simple fruit, this factory creates multiple products with consistent quality and clean, reliable packaging. Robots stack them into tall layers, wrap the pallets, and send them to storage. All the finished boxes, oil bottles, cream jars, and hair serum bottles move to the palletizing zone. This is how a complete avocado processing system works, from start to finish.